Have you ever wondered how tariffs impact the price of your daily goods? Let's break down exactly what they are and how they function. A tariff is simply a tax imposed by a government on goods that are imported from other countries. These taxes increase the cost of doing business, which often leads to higher prices for the final retail consumer. Governments use these taxes to shield local companies from foreign competition or to gain bargaining power during international trade negotiations. While a tariff makes foreign goods more expensive, a quota limits exactly how many of those goods can enter the country at all. As you can see, the importer pays the tax, but they usually pass that cost onto the store and eventually the buyer. Ultimately, the cost of these trade policies is often felt at the checkout counter by everyday shoppers. Understanding trade policy helps you make sense of price changes in the global economy. Thanks for watching and stay curious.